Have you ever been fast asleep only to wake up in the middle of the night because your leg suddenly locks up? The pain is so sharp, it feels like your muscle is being twisted from the inside. You jump out of bed, rubbing your leg, wondering what went wrong. The truth is, your body might not be getting the minerals and hydration it needs. And here's the surprising part. Sometimes the solution is as simple as eating the right fruit. In this video, we'll cover 6 powerful fruits that stop leg cramps before they even start. These aren't random choices. They're proven to give your muscles what they need to stay calm and strong. Stick with me until the end because number 6 is a fruit you probably eat all the time. But you've never realized how important it really is. First up is jackfruit. At first glance, jackfruit looks big and strange, but inside it's packed with nutrition. Rich in potassium and magnesium, jackfruit helps your muscles relax instead of suddenly tightening up. Athletes in Southeast Asia often eat jackfruit after long practices because it keeps their legs from cramping in the heat. If you've never tried it before, you can eat it fresh or buy it dried. It's like giving your muscles a safety net. Think bananas are good? Wait until you see what makes avocados even better. But first, let's talk about hydration. Next, we have cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is basically water in fruit form, but with extra benefits. It's full of potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C, perfect for hot days when you sweat and lose minerals. Imagine finishing a tough workout and biting into a cold, juicy slice of cantaloupe. It hydrates you like water, but also recharges your muscles with minerals at the same time. Plums are up next. They don't get the spotlight often, but they're quiet heroes. They bring you potassium, vitamin K, and antioxidants. Low potassium is one of the top reasons for sudden cramps, and plums help fix that. If fresh plums aren't your thing, try prunes. People often notice fewer nighttime cramps when they snack on prunes regularly. It's like a small fruit with a big job. Speaking of nighttime cramps, the next item works almost like a natural sports drink: coconut water. Coconut water is nature's electrolyte drink. It's got potassium, sodium, calcium, and magnesium. All the stuff your body loses when you sweat or get dehydrated. Instead of grabbing a neon-colored sports drink filled with sugar, try a glass of coconut water. It hydrates you faster, keeps your muscles calm, and does it all naturally. Now, here's a shocker. Avocados actually have more potassium than bananas. On top of that, they give you magnesium and healthy fats that support your nerves and muscles. Think of potassium as the electricity regulator for your body. Without enough of it, your muscles can misfire and spasm. Add avocado to your lunch and you're giving your body stable energy and protection against cramps. But of course, we can't forget the classic fruit that everyone talks about: bananas. Yes, bananas really do deserve the hype. They're rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. Together, these nutrients make sure your muscles contract and relax smoothly. Ever seen a tennis player eat a banana mid-match? That's because it works. A banana a day can reduce cramps, whether you eat it in the morning after exercise or even before bed. So, here are your 6 fruits against cramps: jackfruit, cantaloupe, plums, coconut water, avocado, and bananas. Each one helps in a slightly different way: hydration, minerals, or both. Put them together and you've got a natural toolkit to keep your muscles strong and pain-free. Here's my challenge for you. Pick one of these fruits today and add it to your meal. Then, over the next few weeks, notice how your body feels. Do your legs cramp less? Do you feel stronger? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple health tips. Your support keeps this channel alive and growing. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.